everyone, Gaga Joy's cooking, and I'm glad you dropped in on this beautiful day. Today we're going to be making something that I love to make. It's cornbread. Yesterday I went to the farmer's market and they had their fresh high fronter beans in, so I had to buy those, even though they're expensive this year. And so I thought, well, I'll come home and make some cornbread, and that's what I'm going to do. This is Vidalia Cornbread. It's a little different. Of course, this is Vidalia seasoning. All the Vidalias are coming up from Georgia, and they're pretty. And it's basically a basic cornbread recipe with a few things added. You can't go back wrong with a good cornbread recipe. I love Vidalia onions. There's a couple of onions that come in the summertime that are so good. But Vidalia is one of them. It's not the best one, I don't think, but it's very good. Get some more of it. The Vidalias are pretty this year. They're all pretty good size, which last year they weren't. So I guess the season's different everywhere, especially in Vidalia, Georgia. I'd say that's maybe a cup and a half or 2 cups. Just take your big Vidalia onion and there you go. You won't have to worry about it. Okay. Now I've got a half a cup of flour in here, self-rising flour. I always put a little bit of flour in my cornmeal. Of course, I'm going to have to high flame this morning to the floor, see. I should have got my little scoop out. After the fact, of course. And I add 2 cups of, this is cornmeal mix. I do like that. When you get plain cornmeal, I think it's just I've never been able to get one that I was satisfied with. And about a cup of cheddar, Cobra cheese, or the ones you have on hand. It's a cup. And of course, our buttermilk. It usually takes about 2 cups. It's about the same as what I use as your flour and cornmeal. Sometimes it takes a little bit more or less. I'll take a little more. Okay. Get my corn. I warmed my skillet up. Just add it right in. And it usually takes me about 30 minutes. I know it's done when the top is done and brown too. So we'll be back in about 30 minutes. Well, I think we're about ready to get our Vidalia cornbread out. Good and brown. Let's see. It took exactly 35 minutes, so I knew it was close to that. Put this away for next time. I wipe my pan out, and if it's anything on it, I always clean it with salt. It's always worked for me, so that's my routine. Good hot cornbread and with butter on it. Oh, goodness. There you go. And the butter's coming on. I'm going to make, I have lettuce and onions, and I'm going to make the scalding salad. And I'm going to make it next week, so you'll see. A lot of people don't know about it, but it's a southern thing. Your lettuce, your bacon, and onions, and you pour the hot grease over it, and it's so good. It goes with cornbread and green beans and things like that. Well, I hope you enjoy the cornbread. I'm sure we will. And anything can go with it. A lot of times I like to have cornbread with butter and a glass of milk. So you got a long way to stretch cornbread. So take care of yourself. I'll make some Vidalia cornbread, and I'll see you soon. Bye.